Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this mobile app, which is Moving Helper. So to get started, in 2025 the Moving Helper offer an affordable way to find local labor for loading, uploading, packing and more. It's especially useful for DIY movers who rent a truck but need help with the heavy lifting. The app provides upfront pricing, scheduling, and secure payment using a unique code released only after the job is done. Many users appreciate the cost effectiveness and convenience of hiring help directly through the app instead of using full service mover. However, the experience can be hit or miss. Some user reports no-shows, last-minute cancellation, and poor customer service. The Android version of the app has a lower rating due to glitches and outdated UI. And the Trustpilot review site a lack of accountability for unreliable movers. And here's the final take. The Moving Helper is worth it for budget-conscious movers who need basic help, but reliability issues mean it best to have a backup plan just in case. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review. And that's it.